In this video, we will learn how to freeze top row in Excel sheet. So let's start. So normally to freeze the top row, we'll go to the view tab and click on the freeze panes option and select the freeze top row option. Okay, the top row of data is freeze now. If you want to unfreeze again, just go to the again view tab and click on the freeze pane option and unfreeze the panes. The top row is unfreeze. Okay, this is a way you can freeze and unfreeze the top row. Suppose if you want this top row freeze the different command in different tab, so you can set here. So let's see how it's add it. Just go to the file tab and click on the more options and click on the customize ribbon option and click on the here all commands. Okay, then select the any command and write here the freeze. You can write here the just F. You can found here freeze top row option. Okay, here you see the freeze top row. Just click on it and add in the any tab. So I just add this command in pnd take tab. Okay, I already add here the one tab. So just click on this arrow. In C group, I add this command freeze top row. Okay, here you see the freeze top row is added. Just click on the OK. Now here you can see the in pnd take tab, the freeze top row command is added. Now if you want to freeze the top row, just click on this command and the top row is will freeze. Here you see the top row freeze. So this is a way you can add only one command in any tab. I just add here the new tab. You can add this command on any tab also. If you want to add this command in home, you can add in home tab. If you want to add this command in insert, you can add in insert tab. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.